In AI assemblages as class power, or why do billionaire tech bros want to colonize Mars, we'll be thinking about the more kind of broader structural and class-based issues that this content of the course has brought up so far. So firstly, we'll talk to Lauren Kelly about her work, about the future of work, but particularly about her work in Amazon and the ways that automation is affecting workers there and what that means in relation to broader politics around things like basic income. We'll talk to Will Atkinson, a UK sociologist. We'll be talking about how AI is being used in the ruling class and as a way of kind of conserving power and kind of keeping up. And in the third part, we'll be talking to Roger Burrows again on his work on the NRX and the politics of exit, which specifically speaks to the direct politics of many of the kind of men that are leading these companies, names you'll be thoroughly familiar with. We'll be giving some of the kind of philosophical background there and what this means in terms of their attitudes to humans, i.e., they don't really kind of care about them that much, and maybe why they're looking for to be able to escape the globe, particularly to escape the problems that they're kind of causing and the problems that are actually responsible for building their own wealth.